Hello everybody, welcome back to our reset channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset mobile network on your MG. So I'm in a MG S5 EV, and if you go over, swipe to the right to go to settings, and if you go to Hotspot, you will be able to reset your mobile network. So as you guys can see, there's one device connected, and it is my phone. As you guys can see, if you check the Wi-Fi settings, I'm connected to MG, and here I can just click on reset. As you guys can see, please try this operation with good signals. The vehicle network and positioning may be unavailable while resetting. So you can click on reset, and as you guys can see now, it's resetting the mobile network, and that's basically what you guys can do here. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.